Let's go this way. Come on.
Come on, boss.
Hey, let's go this way.
Boss, are you done?
Yeah, I know. I'm better at riding cars. Come on, let's go.
Go, do this.
Go.
And then
Go.
put your feet like this.
I'm not here.
Here you go.
Yeah, no. I want to go that way. Hey. Listen.
I don't think I've ever had Boss in the ring, so Boss is probably like, you know, give me a straight trail. I know where to go.
I would love to ride him.
He's a good horse.
She's videotaping it.
Let's go over near them. Let's knock them down. They're taking pictures of us.
No, she's videotaping.
Come on, let's go. Knock them down. Knock them. Why'd you stop?
Because he doesn't want to run me off.
Watch him and go.
What are you doing, bud?
Pick his head up. Just pull on the reins a little bit. Hey, come on. Come on, Boss.
Let's keep moving. Come on. Come on, I'll hit you.
Nudge his side to go.
Come on, let's go.
And then lead him.
Alright, that way.
No, go to the side.
What the hell?
Poor Boss.
We got the tire. I'm not reining you in. Let's go.
Go. Oh, he listened to me. Tim didn't even have
Let's
to.
go get Stacy. Come on, buddy.
I was just telling you how to get him going.
You're not going. Come on.
Good. He's like,
Let's
go a
correct
little
your
bit
stance.
faster.
Come on.
Trot with me, please.
There.
Oh,
Let's go nudge them.
He's like, oh my god, I just want to trot. I just want to trot. He's too slow.
You know, if I wanted to sell a horse, this would be perfect. Beginner safe.
What are you ladies saying?
He's walking around his tire.
Have a drink. I'm sorry, Tim.
You're okay, your face is like beet red.